Do you know about brain plasticity? Did you know that your brain has an incredible capacity to adapt and change throughout your life? In this video, we will explore the surprising truth about brain plasticity, how it works, its benefits, and what you can do to make the most of it. Discover how the brain transforms, what factors influence these changes, and how this can impact your life. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any content. Stay with us in this video. You'll be surprised by the end. So what is brain plasticity? It's the brain's ability to reorganize itself, form new neural connections, and even create new neurons. But how does this really work? The brain adapts its structures and functions in response to new experiences, learning, and even injuries. This phenomenon is essential for recovery after a stroke, learning new skills, and adapting to changes in life. How does brain plasticity happen? There are two main types: synaptic plasticity and neurogenesis. Synaptic plasticity involves the modification of connections between neurons, while neurogenesis is the creation of new neurons, primarily in the hippocampus, a crucial region for memory. These processes are influenced by factors such as physical exercise, mental stimulation, and proper nutrition. Why is brain plasticity so important? It allows the brain to adapt to new situations, learn new skills, and recover from damage. For example, people who have suffered brain injuries can recover lost functions through rehabilitation, which stimulates plasticity. Additionally, keeping the brain active can help prevent cognitive decline associated with aging. If you enjoyed this topic, leave a like and comment below what you found most interesting. And tell me in the comments, what topic would you like to see in future videos? What can you do to promote brain plasticity in your daily life? There are several effective strategies. Regular physical exercise, maintaining a balanced diet rich in nutrients, constantly learning new things, and engaging in cognitively challenging activities are some of the proven methods. Additionally, adequate sleep and stress management are crucial for brain health. What factors can influence brain plasticity? Age is a significant factor. Although plasticity is more pronounced in childhood, it continues into adulthood. Life experiences, trauma, neurological diseases, and the environment also play important roles. Understanding these factors can help maximize your brain's potential. In summary, brain plasticity is a fascinating and essential feature for human development and adaptation. It allows us to learn, recover from injuries, and adapt to new experiences. Thank you very much for watching up to here. See you next time.